जब एमी सुबह उठती है ना
हाँ.
अपने बेड से, जो बेडशीट होती है ना उस पे एकदम कोई क्रीज नहीं होता।
किससे?
Because she's damn hot.
Are you trying to say कि वो स्त्री नहीं
स्त्री है?
Deal breaker for me is also thrust issues.
Which is why they say vegans have better sex.
Viraf, we are becoming vegan.
Viraf, if you want suck, no dhan suck.
Can I say fuck or no?
Oh yes, fuck yes.
Oh.
You can say more than fuck.
Oh.
You can do it.
Oh.
Viraf
Again,
started.
मैं कौन से शो पे आ गई हूँ?
Welcome to Two Girls and Two Cups.
तो आज हमारे साथ है एक ऐसी महिला जो इलाहाबाद में पैदा हुई, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बड़ी हुई और मुंबई में डिप्रेस हुई।
ये पॉडकास्ट चलाती हैं, एनजीओ चलाती हैं, कैफे चलाती हैं, लेकिन कुछ चलता नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली।
ये इतनी वीगन है कि ये सेक्स नहीं फोटोसिंथेसिस करती है। और ये इतनी खूबसूरत है कि अगर ये डिज्नी प्रिंसेस होती तो मेंढक खुद आके उसको किसी दे देते।
So please welcome, हमारे साथ है Amy Ella, and I don't think I pronounced that right, so Harsh Beniwal audience don't try.
Exactly.
Is it Ella? Ella? Ella?
एला संस्कृत है। आपको कैसे नहीं मालूम?
मुझे संस्कृत नहीं आती है। इंडिया में सबको संस्कृत
तुम्हें
नहीं
आता
आती
क्या है? तुम्हें आता क्या है?
बताऊं यहाँ पे, बताऊं फिर?
हाँ, अभी तो बताओ।
फिर आपसे पूछ लेना मुझे क्या आता है। So guys, before we start the episode, क्योंकि मुझे ये मैंडेट दिया गया है कि आपको रिमाइंड कराऊं, सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट. Can you please just
follow us on Instagram, follow us on
multiple
organisms, हमारा broadcast channel. On WhatsApp we have a broadcast channel and we have so many places where we don't put any content.
That's true.
We do.
Let's start the episode, Amy. We have lots of questions to ask you, but but मुझे एक बात बताओ, when is your birthday?
19th of April.
तो तुम्हारे बर्थडे पे तुम्हें लोग तोहफा देते हैं या टोफू? I love that. It's such a good joke.
Honestly, लोग इतना बेकार गिफ्ट देते हैं. I actually wish कि वो टोफू ही दे दे ताकि मैं कुछ बना भी लूं, खा भी ले, प्रोटीन भी मिल जाएगा.
Which is the most like scandalizing gift that you've got?
Scandalizing.
मतलब जैसे कि आपको कोई टाइगर के फर का कुछ दे दिया है।
देखो ऐसा कुछ स्कैंडलाइजिंग गिफ्ट किसी ने हमें दिया नहीं है। I'll tell you कि बेस्ट गिफ्ट हमें क्या दिया गया। ओके, सो हमें जो है ना पिंपल्स बहुत पसंद है। Like I'm obsessed. Okay,
guys, she belongs here. Should we make it 3 girls?
My ex, he gifted me it's like a fake skin. ठीक है? और fake skin में pus है and pimples है and you sit there for hours. It's like bursting, वो जो नहीं होते.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I love it. It's like the
and it would pop like properly.
And the pus would come out and then you have to clean it.
Like pus.
That is, where did he get it?
और सब जब निकल जाए ना, you can insert it again and go again.
You can insert the pus again.
Yeah. And they send you pus के refills.
Wow, guys, you are really like weird.
Yeah,
so weird.
Yeah, I mean, she's vegan.
She is weird.
अच्छा, लेकिन अगर आप since you're vegan,
हाँ,
आप जुए मारती हो?
If they're damaging me and endangering me,
पर वो भी तो living thing है.
If a dog bites you, then
I'll go straight to a hospital.
I mean, that's what normal people do. What do you do?
मैं बैठ के कुत्ते के साथ ये वो करूँ या मैं hospital
ये
बैठ के कुत्ते क्यों किया? नहीं, आज तुम बोलोगे.
Into the room. क्या करेंगे कुत्ते के साथ?
वो सिर्फ अपने ex के साथ या अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स के साथ करना चाहिए.
Into the room? Onto the mat?
Naughty boy.
Naughty boy onto the mat. That's nice. I'm going to try.
और कैसे ट्रेन करेंगे एक्सेस को?
एक्सेस को ट्रेन नहीं करना होता है, करंट को ट्रेन करना होता है.
हाँ, that's true.
एक्सेस का क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वो ट्रेन हो जाते हैं हमसे और फिर जाते किसी और के पास.
वो ट्रेन ही नहीं होते हैं ना, इसलिए तो चले गए.
So I just wanted to ask you कि हम लोग भी कोशिश करते हैं वीगन होने की, but then we're just like
ऐसी बात है.
Yeah, but then we're just mostly like fuck it, let's just eat the chicken.
Yeah,
you know. So what is the question?
I have a question for you. Since आपको टाइम लग रहा है अपने क्वेश्चन पूछने में,
हाँ,
कि would you kill the chicken?
No.
Why?
I can't.
Why not?
I can't kill.
मेरा ये रूल है कि अगर आपको खाना है आप खाओ, लेकिन आप मारो. अगर आप मार सकते हो आप खा लो.
मैं नहीं मार सकती.
अब तो फिर आप खा क्यों रहे हो? किसी और को क्यों?
नहीं, वो क्लीन करना पड़ेगा ना.
आप मार लोगे?
मैं तो चिकन खाती ही नहीं.
झूठी. मैं सिर्फ मटन खाती हूँ।
मैं बंगाली हूँ ना।
तुम थोड़ी हिपोक्रेट हो लेकिन तुम किसी को नहीं मारोगी, लेकिन तुम अपनी लुक से जो सबको मारती हो। How is that veganism? Like you can't be a hypocrite like that.
अपने जो किलर लुक से आपने कितने सारे
लोगों को ऐसे किल किया है।
Very sorry everyone. मेरा ये
तो hypocrisy you accept?
हाँ, I accepted. I'm very
Good.
sorry.
She's self-aware.
I'm
That's
very
fine.
self-aware.
We like self-aware people.
पर मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप मतलब recently vegan बने या आप पहले से ही इतने बोरिंग थे?
मैं एक्चुअली हमेशा से बोरिंग थी। नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है। मैं जब 16 years की थी तब तक मैं
आप अभी 16 years के नहीं हो?
नहीं, एक्चुअली आई एम 17 now everyone.
अच्छा, तो एक साल पहले की बात है।
It's recent.
नहीं एक्चुअली जब मैं 16 तक थी मैं बहुत मीट खाती थी, लाइक दबा के हर चीज। ओके, देन आई डिसाइडेड टू बिकम वीगन एंड इट्स नाउ अब अगर मैं बोलूंगी मेरा
तो एज पता लग जाएगा। It's been very long.
It's over 15 years. I can say that much that I've been vegan. चुप।
You know, if you say chup, I'll have to start again. I'm so bad at math.
I was just going to say कि देखो math आती तो ये problem तो रहने देना. Just forget it. Let's just say 30. 30 is decent.
Yeah, 30s.
16,
30s.
30s.
So, हाँ. So the
15 twos are 30. So 16 twos are 32.
रहने दो.
Wow.
Minus 1. You're
30.
31.
Yeah, but she looks like 25.
You're
No.
31. That's it?
I'm more than that, but yeah, we'll leave
That's it?
We'll leave it.
Guys, firstly इनकी identity vegan नहीं है, ये बहुत
ये actor है, podcast चलाती है. You have a cafe.
Yes.
Which is called Pause.
Which you haven't been to yet.
I haven't been to yet. I'll come. What is your show? Please tell our audience they can watch it. Watch this like hottie.
Yeah.
Which is a new show.
Hangama. Let's Play Blind. That's just come out.
It's like a game that you guys are playing in the.
Teen Patti.
Oh wow!
खेला है?
I love Teen Patti. Have you played Teen Patti? I'm not saying Teen Patti.
Not Three Husbands?
No.
Oh.
That's a different game, Srishti. We play that somewhere else, yeah.
You are somebody who has worked in the industry for the longest time, and still to be able to have these principles and to be able to keep going is a big deal, which is why we want to talk about mainly your lifestyle choice, which is veganism, but not to take away from the fact that you are actually a very, very well-known person in the industry. And I have watched you in Oops, Ab Kya?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a series that our Campus Diaries, didn't Prem produce it?
Yeah.
Directed it.
He also directed it. So Campus Diaries के director ने इनका एक show direct किया जिसमें इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है.
It's on
Hotstar, yeah.
It's on Hotstar, ना?
Yeah.
बहुत बढ़िया काम करने के बाद या पहले पता नहीं उसके दौरान आपने veganism choose किया as a lifestyle, which is a big deal. It sounds like अरे सब लोग तो vegan हो रहे, but I think I have tried it in my life and it has been a very difficult choice, which is why I want to ask you what made you do it and stick to it.
So, okay. So the thing is, as I told you, मैं बहुत मीट खाती थी. Okay. So ये सब like
मीट तो तुम अभी भी खाती हो.
अरे वो अलग बात है.
जरा फोटो डालना जरा आजकल इनके जो steak है the very well done steak that is being consumed. I'm going to put a photo of Ribu.
Very rare.
Rare meat. Fully done steak
That rare
meat.
steak is with consent. वो अलग बात है. हाँ.
उसने allow किया है मुझे खाओ.
Oh my God, you guys.
We have to put a photo of Ribu. But yeah, you were saying. Sorry, I just wanted to correct you.
Just put his abs. Just put a giant picture of his abs.
Yeah, just the abs. No, face is also very nice.
Yeah, we
You
met
put
him.
face and abs.
All of it.
Everything else is yours below that.
Yeah, thank you.
But yeah, coming back to chicken आप दबा के खाती थी.
So, So then basically I watched this, not unfortunately, but at the time, this documentary called Earthlings, okay? And it's narrated by Joaquin Phoenix, if you know him.
Yeah,
Yes.
It's not Jaquan?
that's the brother.
Not Jaquan.
मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा कि इसका नाम वाकीन है.
That was nice.
So anyway, this documentary really changed my perspective on everything. And मेरा बस बहुत simple ये था. I didn't think about environment. I didn't think about health. It was just that I felt कि if I wouldn't want to hurt my dog, why am I comfortable hurting other animals? It was that black and white for me. And I was like, shit, yeah. अब क्या?
But did you go cold turkey on
Yeah.
it? Cold turkey doesn't sound right.
No, I literally went cold turkey.
Cold lettuce.
I did cold lettuce. I went cold lettuce and I just stopped. And then वहाँ से मेरा research शुरू हुआ. I read so many books, China study, बहुत वो किया, and I realized कि shit. Can I say fuck on it?
Oh yes, fuck yes.
Oh.
You can say
Oh
fuck.
yeah, you can say more than fuck.
Oh.
You can do it.
We'll have to cut it.
मैं कौन से show पे आ गई हूँ? So then I just realized that from health to environment, everything, I was just so uneducated. And then when I informed myself, I was like, okay, I was very clear on my decision कि बस अब यही है.
It's amazing.
जब आपका why कोई भी decision को लेके जब आपका why बहुत clear होता है, then everything is very easy because it's easy to. It's not like मैं ऐसे देख रही हूँ कि मुझे कुछ sacrifice हो रहा है life में. It's that. It's more like, ew, how can anyone touch that? It's not कि मैं sacrifice skilling से देख रही हूँ.
I've also left meat for a year. I can leave that very easily, but I'm a sucker for cheese. And so being a vegetarian and vegan, there's बिल्कुल अलग चीज है ना यार. Vegetarian
Cheese.
क्या करें? देखो words में भी cheese.
Yeah, I think what people find it also difficult to leave is milk products.
हाँ, like पनीर, cheese,
which
like
is in every
पंजाबी household में मटर पनीर नहीं खाया तो क्या खाया?
हाँ.
तो that is मेरे को बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है. Otherwise I can leave meat.
Obviously, my dad's Gujarati, so I think innately I've always been a vegetarian, but more exposed to my mom's Bengali side of the family. There was this thing कि oh हमको कुछ vegetarian बनाना है इसके लिए, and vegetarian का max is paneer.
Paneer, yeah.
Right, for a kattar non-vegetarian family. So I think I was a vegetarian for the longest time as a kid because same thing, I saw chicken get cut. And I was like,
ये
होता है, मैं खून खा रही हूँ, whatever.
Yeah.
And then I go back home and that chicken is served to me and I didn't eat after that. And but then every time we would go out with the family and all of that, they would be like, अरे यार इसको क्या खिलाएं यार, इसको क्या खिलाएं. So that became almost like I'm not being accepted in my own family. So now it's cooler to say, oh, I eat everything. I eat all kinds of animals. I eat frogs. Like that, it just becomes. People say that. I think it's a cool thing to say. कि
आप frogs खाती हैं?
नहीं. कुछ लोग खाते हैं ना?
मालूम है.
हाँ, मेंढक.
हाँ. बहुत लोग खाते हैं. But how did you become vegan or did you become vegetarian first and then slowly transition? Because it's not the same thing, ना?
हाँ, so vegan में आप कोई भी जानवर का कुछ नहीं खाते हो, तो अंडे, डेयरी कुछ नहीं.
Correct.
So I went completely vegan.
Vegan ही हो गया.
From full hardcore meat eater to vegan. Like
Wow.
Immediately.
बाप रे.
That's tough.
And that time you were in Australia?
I was in Australia.
तो वहाँ easier था क्योंकि इंडिया में तो concept अभी आया है.
15 साल पहले
वहाँ पे भी नहीं था.
वहाँ पे मतलब क्या था vegan, you know? But यहाँ पे it's actually not been very difficult. It's more कि like for example mostly हम घर अगर order कर रहे हैं बाहर से, there's so many options now. Like in India, it's become so accessible. And it's just about knowing how to do things. Like for example, अगर हमें मटर पनीर बनाना हो घर पे, I just swap the paneer for tofu. And there's ways to prepare tofu कि वो पनीर का जो texture होता है वो बहुत similar होता है to tofu. So it's just how you prepare it. And the protein is better. There's no cholesterol. There's no saturated fat. So from
वो तो दिख ही रहा है.
Health fats then loose हो गए, मतलब पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है.
दिख ही रहा है. कोई कोलेस्ट्रॉल, कोई फैट, कोई कुछ नहीं है यार इसके खाने में. दिख रहा है. Struggle कर रही हूँ मैं. I would go vegan for that also. थोड़ा तो weight loss हो.
Weight loss. Yeah.
पर तुम्हारा जो you have a restaurant or cafe
I have
called
a cafe in Bandra called Pause. Yes, please come.
कैफे खोल के बैठी है दीदी.
Bandra में.
बैंड्रा में.
It's recent ना? You guys just launched it.
6 महीने. हाँ.
नाइस. तो आपके मेन्यू में मेन्यू को देख के लोग पॉज करते क्योंकि उस पे कुछ खाने को नहीं होता, इसलिए पॉज.
आपको कोई जानवर नहीं मिलने वाला है. I'm very sorry.
तो they pause. They like
मेढक वगैरह तो नहीं मिलेगा उस मेन्यू पे.
They look at they pause and they leave. Is that happening? Is it written over there that it's a vegan cafe before they enter? Do they know that?
नहीं.
नहीं ना?
नहीं कहते.
It's a surprise.
So how many people do you see enter and then leave? Does that happen?
None. They take a pause and they stay and वो जाते ही नहीं है.
Because you are there.
That's the trick.
Actually, I mean, come on. If you were in that cafe, I wouldn't leave.
I would turn vegan for you.
Someone left me a love note at my cafe. Can I read it out?
Yes.
Oh wow.
You
sure.
have it? I love that.
My co-founder sent it to me. So basically,
Like a handwritten note.
हाँ पूरा मतलब he left me
Blood
a book.
से?
He left me a book with roses in it.
I love you, Amy.
I don't think he was
To
speaking
Amy Ella. To Amy Ella from AGH, Soldier of Love. You are invited
Love,
to
yes.
my
Curated maybe?
Curated. You are invited to my curated show on 7th September. Please do come.
Let's go,
Will you be
everyone.
my
7th
Radha? But he has not written where to come. Where will you go?
not
He say,
said-
will you come to my show? But where? I'll
So
come.
he's Krishna.
Can't say that.
Why, then who does he become then?
He can be anybody.
Radha on the dance floor.
Yeah, correct.
Varun.
Correct. But he's not written. If you're watching this episode, because Amy is on it, I'm sure you're watching this episode.
Please don't contact me.
हमें comments में बता दो कहाँ है show, हम आ जाएंगे.
If you like Amy and you want to talk to us, उसका number है +91 9.
But tell me something,
it.
since you're talking about lovers and love letters and whatever. Australia में तुमने किस किस के साथ mate किया?
Oh my.
Not mate.
Mate किया?
Might किया.
Just I mainly just had one partner for the longest time. I was married, so we were together for 13 years.
13 years का शादी. बचपन में तुम्हारी child marriage हुई है? वहाँ legal है?
I was very young when I got married.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
How is that? No, it's
He's still one of my best friends. And
That's
it-
amazing.
ये मुझे समझ नहीं आता कैसे कर लेते हैं लोग.
वो
I love it.
Australians हैं ना,
क्योंकि
वो कर सकते हैं.
it didn't end on a bad note. We just वो romantic interest नहीं था anymore, and so
Nice.
it was just one of those things that I decided I couldn't. It felt unfair to someone else अगर हमें वो feeling नहीं आ रहा है, then वो fair नहीं मुझे लग रहा था, तो काफी time के लिए try किया, नहीं हुआ. तो
Then
it's
you moved
okay,
to India
लेकिन-
after that?
हाँ
After your marriage got over.
हाँ.
जैसे मेरे एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड ने मुझे एक बार कहा था कि मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ, लेकिन जैसे
एक
मैं
बार कहा
अपनी
था?
जैसे मैं अपनी माँ को करता हूँ.
What?
Basically, that was his way to break up with me.
Oh.
I asked him, do you still love me? He said yes, but like I love my mother.
That makes no sense.
Basically, he doesn't romantically love me. He could have just said that. That was so gross. Fuck you.
But do you know,
This is your husband now?
No.
Oh, okay.
But सृष्टि, do you know कि जब एमी सुबह उठती है ना
हाँ.
अपने बेड से, तो उसकी बेड जो बेडशीट होती है ना, उस पे एकदम कोई क्रीज नहीं होता.
कैसे?
Because she's damn hot.
Are you trying to say
like
कि वो
क्या?
स्त्री नहीं?
स्त्री है. Kindness with Amy. What kind of kindness? Can you please tell the boys? Like
Is it like kindness or like
kindness.
kind?
Show me the two variations again. Please, sorry, options दिखा.
So one is like
हाँ.
kindness. One is
Oh.
kindness.
You
किसी
look
का तो
like a
phone बज रहा है.
dyslexic, like some special child.
Oh, it's
who's
your
having,
phone.
Like a dyslexic son.
अगर शूट के बीच में फोन बज रहा है तो उठाना पड़ेगा और हम
और स्पीकर पे डालना पड़ेगा.
और हम
Okay, if
सुनेंगे.
they call again, we'll take it. ठीक है?
So,
What are we talking about?
Amy being positive.
Oh.
The fact that you're so positive. I feel like you're so positive that you should not take a pregnancy test if you're not planning pregnancy.
You know, Amy's so positive that every time the flight lands, she claps.
No, but that people do now
That तो I do
anyway.
now.
Now तो people do. Everybody does.
Oh, now everyone claps after that.
Everybody's like, Jai Mata Di. Everyone's relieved.
Exactly.
By the way, this is a true story. When we obviously use ChatGPT for
A lot of research.
writing because we don't have a brain of ours anymore. So ChatGPT, huh?
कभी था?
Moving on. So we use chat, and this is a true thing. We use ChatGPT. So when we are researching about somebody, we also ask कि यार कोई controversy है या कुछ negative उसके बारे में, so we can make like things out of it. ChatGPT ने बोला कि Amy Ella is overwhelmingly positive.
You have
There is
overwhelmed
nothing.
ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Did it say that?
Yes,
Real?
you have
Yeah.
overwhelmed AI.
आप ऐसे ही बोल रहे हो.
No, I swear. I wish
How
I might
can
have
AI
that
say that Amy Ella is
overwhelmingly
overwhelmingly
I know
positive?
why.
Why?
Because I'm perfect.
and delusional. Nice, like it. It's the perfect combination. I think that's why we're not.
What's your morning routine?
Morning routine, there is no routine.
Oh, you heard that. Wow, I love your awareness. That's so sexy.
I just roll out of bed.
You
I'm
roll.
lucky, literally, yeah. At like
Istri karte karte.
At 9:30 or so, like 9, I get up and then roll out of bed, work for the day. That's it. Roll back into bed.
That's not what you're supposed to say as an actor. You're supposed to say, I wake up at 6 o'clock and I have my lemon water.
You work out, yeah. You have to be working out.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, she works out.
What's your 72-step beauty routine?
72.
She must be doing 72. How to look like this then?
Medimix ka soap. Okay.
Really?
हाँ, best है.
Shout out, Medimix is the best.
Medimix sponsor this episode.
Medimix was also Medicare, right? I'm coming back to Juए.
आप और जुए का separate
बचपन का trauma.
Is this why you cut your hair off?
What?
Is this why you cut it off?
Do you have it now?
The last time I had Juए was last week. That's it. So Medimix, then
That's it.
आप दूध के साथ तो नहाती नहीं होंगी क्योंकि वीगन हो. आमंड मिल्क से कुछ होता नहीं. होता है क्या? मतलब नहाते हो तो
नहा रहा है, आप नहा रही हैं. दूध में आप नहाती हैं.
मतलब वो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि दूध में नहाते हो तो ग्लो आता है. आपने देखे नहीं है एड्स, वो साबुन के एड्स कि दूध में नहा रही हैं औरतें?
हाँ, ये मैंने देखा है.
इंडिया में होता है ऐसा, दूध में नहाओ तो
मैंने ये सुना है.
या गोरे हो जाते हो, ग्लो आ जाता है. हाँ, ऐसा बोलते हैं.
Imagine the cows just looking and
like what the fuck, guys?
You're not giving me a bath.
And you take
Where's my bath?
That's my bath. So tell us, in a relationship, what's a deal breaker then?
For me, a deal breaker is trust. There has to be strong trust.
Yeah.
If someone is not trustworthy, then I can't continue anything.
Trustworthy vegan or trustworthy non-vegetarian works?
They do not have to be vegan.
Okay.
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 And
Nice.
the thing is now, ki everyone I have dated has been a vegan.
Really?
हाँ.
Like
You've just
before they met
attracted
you?
those kind of people in your life.
Wow.
So who I was married to was already vegan.
Oh, lovely.
फिर, you know, and I'm attracted to certain, you know,
Type.
men that are like manly men. Okay.
Huh.
And he was like a bodybuilder and all of this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay? And he happened to be vegan. So I was like, yes, I love
Guys, अगर ऐसी लड़की चाहिए तो you just have to be vegan. It's so easy. This is a very good takeaway for our audience.
Yeah, yeah.
Then everyone else I dated, after my marriage, was also vegan by default.
Wow.
Who I actually dated. You met one of them.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I didn't date after we broke up last year, which was in June 2024. Janesh and I broke up. And then I was single for like over a year and I wasn't dating anyone. I was pretty like heartbroken from the whole thing. Like she met Janesh and we were very like serious.
Yeah.
Anyway, so then I met Ribhu on set. Okay, Delhi ka hai, meat eater hai, breakfast, lunch and dinner is chicken. Okay, an actor hai. Everything that I would never want to date. Okay. But anyway, हम मिले और बातें होने लगी and we just got along really well. And then in my head I thought, okay, अच्छा है, लेकिन यहीं तक.
हाँ.
बस, मतलब बातें पे, that's it.
हाँ.
Because I also don't want to fool around randomly. मतलब वो मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं था.
हाँ.
But then it just went from
Hit you.
where to where.
देखो प्यार जब होता है ना तो चिकन मटन
क्या ही.
But then,
Oh.
okay, he knew
हाँ.
me.
हाँ.
Okay. And he was like, listen, I'm thinking I'll become a vegetarian.
Hmm.
And I was like, nahin. I need to see if I'm comfortable dating
With some-
you as
yeah.
it is, because I would never want कि कोई मेरे लिए बदले. It has to be, जो भी ये सब decisions होते हैं life में, it has to come because you want it.
Correct.
It has to come from you. It has to come from within.
You have to practice also ना, मतलब future में if you have to date someone who's like
Just in case.
yeah, like practice तो करना.
Let me at least be prepared.
You don't change. No, but I get what you're saying. Sorry.
Yeah.
So then he went vegetarian. In my head, I thought, okay, chalo.
Oh, he did
That's
it.
so
5
sweet.
minutes के लिए he'll be veg. Okay.
At least he tried. That says so much about it.
ना ये chicken
दिल्ली के
खाता है.
लड़के ना लेकिन ऐसे ही होते हैं, वो थोड़े इमोशनल होते हैं. They're like
बहुत
तेरे लिए
ज़्यादा.
मैं
ऐसा ही ऐसा
आज करूंगा कल नहीं.
हाँ, and so the crazy thing is कि अभी तक he's vegetarian.
Oh, nice.
He's not touched meat since then.
Wow.
And I keep saying to him, listen, if you want, like,
Yeah, you do you.
want to have it, please have it. Like, you're stressing me out now. You're giving me anxiety. But he's not wanted. In fact, what's ended up happening is that he has found it's working better for him for his workouts and his training. And then also now he's not having much dairy. He swapped everything for soy milk. He swapped all of his whey protein for pea protein. Everything.
Wow.
That's
मैंने
so
कुछ बोला भी नहीं.
sweet.
I'm like, ये हो क्या रहा है? मैंने कुछ बोला भी नहीं.
प्यार एमी प्यार क्या क्या
प्यार तो है ही, but I also feel like veganism gives you some kind of purpose also in life because you're now तुम अपने अलावा किसी और चीज के बारे में भी सोच रहे हो अपने लाइफ में कि ये am I stealing this from somebody else and eating it? So I think it gives you this purpose that there's something you're doing for
But
society.
बड़ा महंगा है यार.
हाँ?
It's expensive to be vegan.
Lentils are so much more expensive than chickens. I know.
She's got this so much.
Hello.
Oh, there.
Speaker.
You want to talk?
Yeah. Who is it?
I'm calling you from Pentagon Developer.
जी बोलिए.
Yes, आपकी इंक्वायरी मिली है. आप 2 बेड देख रहे हैं, राइट?
Yes.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
तो
उसको चाहिए.
प्रोजेक्ट इज नाउ.
You are going to tell me where the project is ना? मुझे कैसे पता
तो
होगा?
आई मीन आपने अगर ऐड देखा है तो आपको आइडिया है, तो मैं आपको पूरा ब्रीफ कर देती हूँ. वैसे पूछ रही हूँ मैं आपको.
अच्छा नहीं मेरे को पता है एक्चुअली. मुझे
Okay.
सब पता है.
ये
मेरे को हर्ट हो रहा है. मेरे को हर्ट हो रहा है.
एक्चुअली इमरजेंसी आ गई.
मेरे को हर्ट हो रहा है. बिग बॉस मुझे hurt
यार कोई don't worry.
We are so mean.
That was a
Poor
legitimate
thing.
house inquiry I had made for a house I want to buy.
Now you'll have to call her back and say actually वो
Oh, shit.
मर रहा था. अब मरा नहीं तो I'm back.
हाँ, emergency थी. You can call back after emergency.
ये Big Boss कहाँ से आ गया?
I don't know. I've done this with a scam call, you know, once. Said कि आपका no, this was that policeman has
Yeah.
called. And I said, oh my God, really? I'm going to go to jail. He's like, नहीं, आपको बस इतने पैसे देने. नहीं, मैं जेल जा रही हूँ. And I pretended that I'm getting a heart attack.
Oh my God.
And then I've given my husband the phone. My husband is like, बहुत serious हो गई है. Please मैं आपको बाद में call करता हूँ. I don't know why he talks like
Yeah, but he
and
does
that guy who's scamming, he's saying, आप please मुझसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो? आप please अपनी बीवी का ध्यान रखिए. He's telling him.
The scammer is telling भावेश कि आप प्लीज अपनी बीवी का ध्यान रखिए. नहीं कोई बात नहीं
नहीं आप प्लीज उनको ध्यान रखिए. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. आप नहीं, वो फ्री है. वो कुछ
free है.
वो नहीं जाएगी जेल.
Being vegan, honestly, lot of people think being vegan. मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ. लोग बोलते हैं कि महंगा है. ऐसा नहीं है ना?
It depends कि आप क्या खा रहे हो. If you're eating very simply, मैं बहुत simply खाती हूँ. मेरे लिए तो बहुत सस्ता है. मैं ज़्यादा सोचती भी नहीं हूँ. But I know people जो महंगा omnivore होके होते हैं, उनका बहुत महंगा होता है. And I know people जो vegan होके भी बहुत पैसा spend करते हैं.
Correct.
आप imported products जाके खरीदोगे तो महंगा तो
महंगा
महंगा
है.
कोई भी चीज़ में.
हाँ.
Non-veg या veg में हो. So it depends कि आपको क्या चाहिए.
It's true.
What
मैं
you
आधी
want.
वेजिटेरियन इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि मैं हर रोज चिकन अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकती और फिश अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकती. मैं जब घर से निकलती हूँ ना तो मेरी बहन जो मेरे साथ रहती है वो मटन बनवाती है घर पे. लाइक पार्टी मटन बनेगा क्योंकि हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है खाने के लिए. But coming back to I just wanted to say one thing that deal breaker for me is also thrust issues.
Thrust issues are deal breaker for me
issues.
also.
Yeah, thrust.
Yeah.
If he can't thrust properly,
Yeah.
I mean, I've never met anyone that.
Who can't thrust properly?
Yeah.
Another fact, guys, vegan people thrust properly. Great.
guys, अगर आप vegan बनोगे तो आपके thrust issues बिल्कुल नहीं होंगे.
I like
Actually,
that.
it's true because saturated fat leads to a loss of blood flow, especially down there for men and women.
Huh.
So the more saturated fat you have, saturated fat comes from meat and dairy.
Huh.
So the more meat and dairy you have, the more down there problems you'll have as well. Which is why they say vegans have better sex.
Viraf, we are becoming vegan. Okay? From tomorrow.
I'm sorry, Virat.
Parsi
I'm sorry.
Bawa.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't
Viraf,
lie.
if you want suck, no dhan suck.
Oh my God.
You've dated Indian men, right? You've lived in a very different culture, although you are half Indian.
Yes.
But
yeah.
you grew up in Australia.
Yes.
Right? How is that dynamic? कैसे deal करते हैं यार? Because जो Indian men होते हैं ना, at the end of the day वो traditional होते हैं, or their family is traditional. So there is that difference. Have you faced that, or am I just making shit up?
No, you are so not making shit up. देखिए जितना भी कोई modern Indian आदमी हो ना, फिर भी वो जो पेट्रियार्की है वो बहुत डीपली है साइकी में यहाँ पे.
लड़कियों में हम में है,
सब में है, but men में especially it's very deeply rooted, okay? And I've seen it firsthand because like the people that I've dated, what I've noticed is the men are very attracted to a sexy woman.
yeah,
The moment they have the sexy woman, then they want the woman to not be sexy anymore
correct,
and be ऐसे कपड़े मत पहनो और लोग ना देखें, ऐसे मत,
ऐसे behave मत करो,
ऐसे भी exactly. तो ये मुझे notice हुआ. But the problem is certainly the mentality, and I've certainly seen it with Indian men. I don't like to generalize Indian men.
That's
because
true.
बहुत अच्छे आदमी होते हैं जो ऐसे नहीं देखते हैं.
correct,
But I have noticed culturally that with people I've been with outside of India, this has not even been a factor.
ये problem है
I've
ही
not
नहीं,
felt like कि मैं ऐसे ड्रेस नहीं कर सकती हूँ या मुझे थोड़ा ढक के रहना है.
But my husband is very patriarchal that way. If
क्यों तुम्हारा
I have worn
husband
a
तो
set
बोलते
of,
रहता है उतारो उतारो,
अगर मैंने अपनी लॉन्जरी पहन के अगर मैं अभिषेक से मिलने गई तो he has a problem.
Really?
Yeah.
how dare
He says
he,
so I mean this is for him also कि मैं अभिषेक तो मेरा दोस्त है ना.
हाँ
अगर मैंने कपड़े तो कपड़े हैं,
पहने तो है ना,
पहने तो है ना.
लॉन्जरी हो तो क्या,
मैं तुम मुझसे ऐसे मिलके तो you will tell me what to wear. सुन मेरी बात. It's my choice.
पति हो घर पे, बाहर नहीं,
बाहर भी हो ब्रो.
पति हो घर में रहो.
हाँ, तुम्हारी जगह ऑफिस में है.
I feel like
विराफ इज द एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट. विराफ में जब जीन्स पहन लेती तो बोलते बेबी व्हाई, टेक इट ऑफ, टेक इट ऑफ.
उनका कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है,
उनका कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है. They have their own.
That's also problematic. Little like
they're
don't
so-
wear anything is also like a little extreme.
अभी तो अभिषेक spends more time with me. I'll make
Who
it
is Abhishek?
I love this character. Who is this? Please.
सारे अभिषेक comment करने
You know
वाले.
the problem is whenever I take a name, I'm just thinking I should not know this person. Like I should not know Abhishek. Do I know an Abhishek?
Person?
It
Oh,
is.
I got excited.
You want to meet him?
Yeah.
There are lots of Abhishek. Comment में बताओ guys.
All the girls are going to meet him in lingerie. Why? Abhishek.
ये कैसा friend है? ये हो क्या रहा है?
वहाँ अभिषेक बोला मुझे नहीं चाहिए lingerie. I'm gay guys. I don't like women in lingerie. No one's asked what Abhishek wants, but who the fuck cares? It's about what we want. But I just wanted to talk about that because I feel like it becomes hard ना जब
Yeah, it does.
but now you're dating somebody,
I am.
है ना, and it looks like it's going well. Touch wood.
Thank you.
So tell us what attracted you towards Ribu then?
So, I think when I first met Ribhu, it was very instant for me. And I just felt that he was a very genuine person. And I'm very receptive to people's energy. So, his energy was so positive. And I was like, fuck, ye kahan se aa gaya? Ye kya hai? And
Meat eater है लेकिन positive energy.
Boys, I was saying boys take notes.
our values aligned. We just got along so well. We had so much to talk about. And I just felt such a nice feeling from him. And we had so many similarities as well. He had been married before.
Oh really? That's a great term.
Yeah. So
it's not great that he's. I'm sorry, wrong choice of words like always. But it's something in common, like it's trauma bonding.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Naini. But the thing is, I think when you've been married before, the learnings that you've been through a lot. So you've learned so much about relationships and adversity and navigating difficult emotions and stuff. And then when you come into a new relationship, you are coming from it from a very mature perspective.
Correct.
After we met, the next day or two after that, we went for a drive together at like 4 a.m. after our shoot. And then we just went on a date the next day. And then literally since then, we have been together nearly every single day.
That's so nice.
And it's been so just honest and transparent कि क्या चाहिए हम दोनों को, क्या है, and it's just been so nice.
Be a Ribu. That's what you need to do.
In a world full of Abhisheks,
Be a
Ribhu.
Exactly.
हाँ
Oh,
जी.
तुम्हारी लाइफ का सबसे non-veg habit क्या है? You have like a non-veg habit.
मैं इस शो पे नहीं कह सकती हूँ.
अच्छा कार में बता देना बाद में. है ना? So we have a new should I go to the new segment?
Yeah, let's call it
Segment.
let's behave like we just came up. What should it be?
What should it be?
Like sex. and segment.
See, so on this show हम बहुत सेक्स की बातें करते हैं क्योंकि I feel like इंडिया में सेक्स की बातें कोई नहीं कर रहा, तो मेरी मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मैं सेक्स की बातें करूं क्योंकि
Also,
कर सब रहे हैं लेकिन
हम
बात
कर
कोई नहीं
सकते हैं
कर
क्योंकि सलोनी is sex teacher.
रहा। Yeah, I'm a sex educator, guys.
आपने sex
वही तो
किया
है।
मेरे पास मेरा बेबी है, प्रूफ। एक बार तो किया है।
एक बार।
एक बार का तो proof है।
एक बार का प्रूफ है मेरे पास। जाऊँ हम एक नया सेगमेंट शुरू कर रहे हैं शो पे, which is called the, क्या नाम रखे सृष्टि?
You know, it's a segment.
But it's about sex, so it has to be a.
Segment.
Yeah. So I have this question that we are going to ask all our guests.
ठीक है।
What is the most hilariously inaccurate thing about sex that you knew when you were younger?
I think ये illusion था जब मैं छोटी थी कि oh wow, it's just so good हर किसी के साथ, मतलब it would be so amazing, you know, and then फिर जब आप पहली बार अगर करो, it's so disappointing.
Especially for women.
Especially for women.
I don't know how it is for men. We should
Because
ask a
most
boy.
of the time आदमी लोग को मालूम नहीं है ना कि
करना
कर क्या रहे हैं,
If the
क्या
boy
कहाँ
who
है।
Amy lost her virginity to is watching, sorry.
I married him, no, I'm just kidding.
क्या मतलब ऑस्ट्रेलिया में पली बड़ी है थोड़ी
And
ना।
definitely he's not watching this show, so it's fine.
ये किसी रिश्तेदार ने मुझे बोला था जब मैंने पूछा सेक्स क्या होता है।
तुमने
बोला
रिश्तेदार से पूछ लिया?
किससे पूछते हैं?
कौन से?
स्ट्रेंजर से पूछे। अंकल एक मिनट, मुझे एक तो निरमा दो और फिर बताओ सेक्स क्या होता है।
वो बता देता।
वो बता ही देता।
अंकल को तो हाँ।
हाँ, फिर क्या बोला रिश्तेदार ने?
उन्होंने बोला कि बीमारी है।
ओह
तो मुझे सबसे पूरी जिंदगी काफी टाइम तक लगा कि जस्ट डिजीज तुम्हें सेक्स हुआ है।
मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं जस्ट ऑन दिस सेक्स टॉपिक कि यहाँ अंधेरी में मैं एक फिल्म के लिए उन्होंने हमें बुलाया था, ठीक है, वो हमें नरेशन दे रहे थे।
हाँ।
ये बहुत सीरियस नरेशन था, ओके। एनीवे तो हम बैठे एंड आई न्यू द थीम ऑफ द मूवी वाज नेक्रोफिलिया
हाँ
ऑलरेडी।
नेक्रोफिलिया हर्ष बेनीवाल ऑडियंस कर लेना गूगल, बिकॉज हम नहीं बता रहे।
नहीं हम बता सकते हैं ना।
बताइए आपको
देखो
हाँ, कैसे बताएगी? इवन आई वांट टू सी कैसे बताएगी।
जब कोई ये एक साइकोलॉजिकल डिजीज है ऑलमोस्ट जो इंसान को होता
ऑलमोस्ट नहीं
है कि उनको मुर्दा
मुर्गा
नहीं वो नॉन वेज है। जो लाश होती है उनके साथ संभोग करने में वो दिलचस्पी रखते हैं।
क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस है गाइस, क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस।
वो तो है ही।
तो हमें जो डायरेक्टर है वो स्टोरी बता रहे थे एंड ही वाज लाइक हाँ सो आपका जो रोल है ना वो आप एक नेक्रोफिलिया आदमी से सेक्स करती हैं लेकिन आपको नहीं पता कि ये नेक्रोफिलियाक है, तो वो जाते हैं रात को एंड ही हैज सेक्स विद डेड वुमेन और फिर वो आपके साथ आते हैं एंड हैज सेक्स, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट डे हमारे टांग नहीं चल रहे थे एंड देन आई क्रॉल टू द फोन, आई कॉल द डॉक्टर, मैंने डॉक्टर को फोन लगाया एंड लाइक व्हाटएवर, देन आई एंड अप टू द डॉक्टर्स ऑफिस।
Crawling?
फिर डॉक्टर हमें चेक करते हैं, फिर वो अंदर देखते हैं और वो कहते हैं कि ओह आपके बॉडी में मैगट्स हैं, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको गैंग्रीन पॉइजनिंग हो गया है। एंड द डायरेक्टर इज टेलिंग मी दिस लाइक आई एम लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वियर्ड एंड ही इज लाइक हाँ तो ये मूवी सिनेमास में जाएगा। आई एम लाइक प्लीज
Srishti, this sounds like the script we have written.
A microdrama.
Someone stole it. हमारे माइक्रोड्रामा की स्क्रिप्ट किसी ने
अच्छा
ली।
तुम हमारे ही असिस्टेंट से मिले थे।
वो एक्चुअली हमारा प्रोडक्शन हाउस प्रोड्यूस कर रहा था, Hoot Havoc.
Oh my god.
But dude, this is the problem in India. मतलब ये oh my god, I can't fathom that you sat through that. I would have laughed.
you
at
would
his
have loved
face.
to have seen my expression.
That is the epitome of kindness with Amy.
Kindness with Amy. She's
Now that's how kind she is.
and that's why we need to play a game with her, which is rudeness with Amy.
Ooh, I
okay?
like this.
And rudeness
New podcast.
is a word Harsh Beniwal audience.
So now, since you've shown and proved how kind and positive you are, we are going to play a game with you. Just maybe we are giving you scenarios, and you have to be your rudest, bitchiest self.
ठीक है.
Okay, like fucking.
I'm ready.
Waiter brings you the wrong order. It's chicken.
I'll eat it. Just wanted to see your expression.
Yeah, what will you say to this fucking waiter?
Scotty chicken, man.
I don't think I can be rude in that situation. I'll just be like, गलत order है, आप वापस ले लो.
You know what I would do?
What?
I would eat him. Because he wanted me to eat the chicken. Gonna cook him and eat him. That's rude.
That's the movie. That sounds like
A fan asks for a selfie when you're in the middle of eating.
Like you're like,
Now you have to be rude to him.
madam selfie, madam.
This is a scene.
Madam selfie.
Come on, be rude.
आपको मैंने बोला था ना, बाद में आइए, फिर से क्यों आ गए हैं? निकलो यहाँ से.
Madam, that is rude, madam.
वापस मत आना.
That is so cute.
That is so cute. Madam, I love you. An auntie at a wedding says, "बेटा शादी कब करोगी?"
आंटी, मैंने शादी तो कर ली है. आप अपने शादी को देखिए, मेरे शादी को ना देखिए. और क्या बोलूं आंटी से?
अच्छा है.
अच्छा, हिंदी में गाली आती है?
अब मैंने सीखा है कुछ.
बताइए, जोर से बताना.
मैं नहीं बोल सकती हूँ सबके
हम
सामने.
censor कर लेंगे.
काफी रूड है.
हाँ बोलना.
वही तो चाहिए हमें.
हमारा जो एक्स है ना,
हाँ हमारा
मतलब मेरा
एमी ऐसे नहीं बात करते यार. नहीं बताना होता सबको. हमारा एक्स
मेरा वो जो है ना, वो पारसी था.
हाँ
है.
हाँ
मतलब
है.
वो अभी जिंदा है. हाँ.
उसने सिखाई तेरे को गाली.
उसने सिखाया मुझे. क्वाइटली बताओ.
हाँ बोल. मैं जोर से बोल दूँ.
हाँ ठीक है.
किसका भोसड़ा? किसी चीज का भोसड़ा था. भेजेगा.
हाँ.
भेजेगा भोसड़ा.
हाँ, so
भेजेगा भोसड़ा.
अच्छा, उसने मेरे भेजे का भोसड़ा कर दिया.
हाँ अच्छी अच्छी.
नाइस.
तो मैंने अपने मम्मी से बोला कि मम्मी मेरे भेजे का मत करो. She's like, what? She was so angry with me. और एक और मैंने सीखा था जो मुझे थोड़ा funny लगता है, is लौड़ा लहसुन.
Oh, that's cute.
That's a cute one. I like that one.
That's cute. Lorda
If I translate it, garlic.
I like lorda
garlic
lasan.
Penis.
Yeah. Makes no sense.
That's what it sometimes
people can like that.
It can taste like that sometimes.
Hey, you garlic penis. Stop there. Okay.
You have to just stay woke because
Okay,
our
so this
audience
is
has to
something-
stay woke.
So we are a very woke podcast, as you can see.
See, you.
Oh.
Yeah, do this and put the thumbs
Yeah.
in. And you
Stay woke, guys.
Stay woke. Stay
Yeah.
woke, guys. Comment, like, share, subscribe.
Subscribe. ऐसे तो कोई subscribe नहीं करेगा.
So this is your gift, Amy, and this is customized
With our logo.
Tuka bag. Guys, comment में बताओ if you want to buy this bag, then we can sell it.
Then we start merch.
You see the boobs on the back.
Yeah, I love it.
And it has something vegan
For you
stuff
in it.
for you. A vegan necklace and a vegan cup.
Thank you so much for getting
And
me
that's
a
all
vegan
we can
cup
afford.
and a
Yeah.
vegan
That's
That's it for our gifting segment, guys.
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Cheers.
Sayonara.
Alvida.
Hare.